Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the big leap in many tech careers. This week for me was feedback review week, and that means I gave a lot of feedback and I get to review the performance of my team members from the beginning of the year to the end of the year. And for some people, that came with a promotion, which means the next step. Hopefully, as a manager, you've started preparing your team members for the next step and the leadership roles they're about to take in long before performance review results are out. Today's video is going to focus on transitioning from a software engineer to a manager. It's an exciting journey, but it comes with its own set of challenges. If you're considering or already in this transition, stick around because today we're going to be looking at some of the hurdles you might face when transitioning from an individual contributor to a manager. One of the first challenges everyone faces, even when I transitioned 8 years ago, is mindset shift. As a software engineer, your success is measured by the code you write, the bugs you fix, and the features that you deploy. But as an engineering manager, that changes. You're measured by how much you enable your team to succeed and create an environment where people can thrive and grow. Instead of solving problems directly, your role is to create an environment where other people can solve problems. This requires taking a step back, trusting your team, and focusing on higher level priorities like morale, productivity, and most importantly, ensuring that your team aligns with company's objectives. A tip I usually give new engineering managers is to embrace the idea that your role is no longer to be the best individual contributor or write the best code, but to build the best team. Another tough challenge is letting go of coding. If you've spent years as a software developer, chances are you love writing code. But as a manager, you're going to write less of it or even none at all. This can be tough because it feels like you're stepping away from what you're good at. But remember, your technical experience gives you an edge. It helps you understand your team's challenges. It helps you make informed decisions and most importantly, communicate effectively with both engineers and stakeholders. One of the biggest hurdles in management is communication. Now you're the bridge between your team and other departments, like product, leadership, or even clients, depending on the industry where you work. Miscommunication can lead to unclear priorities, missed deadline, or even worse, team frustration. One thing you might want to do is regular check-ins with the team. This should be on a cadence. Use one-on-ones with team members to build trust and understand their challenges. Also, be the type of manager who over-communicates when needed. It is better to clarify than to assume. Another challenge as a manager is balancing priorities. As a manager, your time is split between meetings, plannings, coaching the team, and sometimes putting out fires. It's easy to be overwhelmed. A tip I have for you is learning to delegate. Your team members are there to help execute the technical work while you handle the higher level priorities. Use tools like task boards or project management tools like Jira, Asana, or ClickUp. These can help you track progress and ensure that you focus on priorities. Becoming a manager is not just about managing, it's about leading. You're now responsible for your team's growth and motivation. This means you'll be providing feedback, recognizing achievements, and sometimes having very difficult conversations. My tip here is not underestimate the importance of empathy. Listen to your team's concerns, support their career goals, and most importantly, celebrate successes. Being approachable will earn their trust and respect. To wrap it up, transitioning from a software developer to an engineering manager is challenging, but incredibly rewarding. Remember these key points. Shift your mindset from individual contributor to an enabler. Let go of code. Your focus is on your team now. Communication is your superpower. Practice it daily. Learn to prioritize and delegate effectively. Be a leader, not a manager. Empathy goes a long way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments if you faced any unique challenges transitioning into management. I'd love to hear your stories. See you around.